Hey guys, so today I haven't filmed a YouTube video in like forever, and I thought what better video to do than tour my apartment. So without further ado, here's my apartment. We're gonna start off in my little kitchen. It's pretty big for a college apartment kitchen, but yeah, I try to keep it like the same theme. I love like bright colors, like as you can tell. Like I love things that are incredibly extra. So yeah, this is my Keurig. I use it every morning, and I use dollar store coffee pods. It's actually so much cheaper, obviously, than the dollar store weekend bag. I mean, it actually tastes good. Like, I'm generally saying that. Like, I love dollar store coffee. Anyways, this is from Kate Spade, and it says on it, "Whistle while you work it." How cute is that? But yeah, this actually I got for free, if you will, kind of, sort of. I got some flowers and this vase, and I thought this vase would look so good with the aesthetic, so yeah, I put out the flowers once they were like dead, and then like yeah, now it's in my kitchen. Anyways, so this cookbook I just think is really pretty. Like, look at that marble though, and I haven't used any of the recipes on it, but like look how cute that is though. Like, can you not? Like, that's beautiful. And then I have my Amazon Alexa. She doesn't work half the time, but you still gotta like her. Anyways, then I got this little strainer it was from Kate Spade at Macy's. I always get things at Macy's, you know, it's nice. And then yeah, that's about it for the kitchen. This I got at Target. It was really cheap. I love saving money on like little things. It's nice. It's a good time. Like that leads to the next point, the dollar store. Look at these picture frames I got at the dollar store. Like, aren't they nice for $1? Like, come on. So I got those. I thought it was like nice to have black, gold, and silver together. Like, and I did the pictures like black and white too. But yeah, hit up the dollar store if you want some cheap frames. They have tons of them. Anyways, this is from Target. I thought it was kind of cool because that's like a trendy thing to have like on your desk or whatever. But anyways, I got this at Bloomingdale's. I love inspirational nonsense. This is like nice and seasonal. You gotta be festive. Maybe I'm a little too early. It's still like 90 degrees out, like whatever. And then this I got at the dollar store. I get a lot of candles at the dollar store. It's nice. And then I have this nice little inspirational quote. Then I have all my prep books, and then I have all my magazines. I love getting magazines. I have all these like free magazine subscriptions, and like I love getting like Vogue magazines and like having like people read when they come over. It's nice. And then I got this little like cratey looking thing. I don't know, light looking thing. I don't know what it is, but anyways, I thought it was cute. I got the one on the right from Amazon, the one on the left that's like a vase from like Home Depot. Not Home Depot. What am I saying? Home Goods. Home Goods is like such a steal. You can get so many good deals there. Like, I got all this at Home Goods. I love the golds, and like if you could get like this like terrarium, I think it's called. I don't know what it's called, but it's really cute. You don't have to like feed it or whatever. Well, it's not an animal. What am I saying? But like you don't have to water it, anyways. But so it won't die on you, because I've had many plants die on me. It's the saddest thing. But I thought this was cool. Like, how random is this? But it's really cute. I have really random aesthetics at times. Like, I think, like, one time I'll think something's like the cutest thing in the world, and the next time I look at it and I'm like, why I get that? I'm such a weirdo. But anyways, this Amazon, $11, steal. Can you even see it with that amount of light? Like, goodness. But it's really blinding. It's beautiful though. Can't turn it off now. Shoot, I broke it. No, I didn't. Never mind. Maybe that's why it was $11. Anyways, this, I love the gold. It's really pretty. This is the most uncomfortable pillow ever because I hate stuff with texture for the pillows, but it's nice. It's cute. It was cheap. I love saving money. I love being really bougie on a budget. Like, it's the greatest thing. But this, of course, Home Goods. Really cute. This couch that came with my apartment is insanely comfortable. Like, when people come to visit, they'll just like sleep on the couch, and it's a good time, and they don't have to get a hotel. Like, save some money. Perfect. Do I wish it was a fold out? Yeah. This is my favorite thing in the apartment. You can't see with all that light there, but look how cute that is. Like, look. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. I got it on Amazon. It's like this beautiful light blue color. Is it comfortable? No, not really. But Well, if you have like a nice blanket, always get a nice blanket for your apartment. You're gonna need one, even if you live somewhere that's like 90 degrees like I do. But it's so nice to have a nice blanket to cuddle up to in your nice chair from Amazon. Then, so yeah, this is the finished look of my apartment. Oh, and that silly little pillow that's like really over the top probably looks like something that came from the kids store. Maybe it did, I don't know. But it's like one of the ones where if you go like, it'll like change. So my mom, when she came to visit me for parent weekend, she like switched it to a heart, and I thought that was so nice. Like, I love moms. Anyways, so let me just do like a 180 of like, this is my apartment. Yeah, and then I have a balcony. It's so light out, I don't want to show that. Then I have my bedroom, kind of a bland room. It's like so like washed out right now. Like, look at that. Like, I can't. I'll stand from this point, but I have my keyboard. Then the layout of this apartment, I love having a 1-1. It's really nice, but like going from like when I have a people over, when they want to go to my bathroom, they have to go through my bedroom and my closet. Like, it's a little intrusive. I don't know. Unless they're like my besties, and it's not intrusive. They can go through whatever they like. But anyways, this is my closet. These are my favorite shoes in the world. I love them. Do I wear them? No. Do they make a great accessory in my closet? Yes. I love heels. I love the aesthetic of them, but I hate the pain of them. Like, I can't deal with heels. Like, when I go out, I'm such a wimp about it. I can't. I wish I wasn't. This I got at Home Goods. It's really nice for storage. This place came with no storage underneath. Really annoying, but it's whatever. Then, yeah, I have this. It's really cute. These shoes I've never worn, but I love them. They're beautiful. They're really cheap. They're from Charlotte Russe, but this another dollar store seasonal decor. I love being all festive. But yeah, there's no door with the closet. Really annoying. But this is my bathroom. The countertops I wasn't a fan of. They're like this really yellowy kind of like color that I'm not a fan of. Like, I mean, it's a college apartment. It's not supposed to be like bougie or like really nice or anything. It's supposed to be like affordable. But so I got this at Home Goods for really cheap. This nice little marble little thing just to cover up a lot of the space. So now I don't have much counter space, but is it a look? Yes. And yes, a lot of these were free for gifts that I would never got on my own, but like sometimes I just like to spread them out so it looks like I have more than I actually have. But it's really annoying with this apartment because you can't, there's only one light switch, right? So you can't turn this stupid fan off without like turning the lights off too. So you can either have light or be deaf. It's your choice, like whatever is more convenient to you. Like, but this is my like organization for like my pajamas and like basic necessities and stuff. And I try to keep it organized. And I like the look of having canvas. So like when I'm a really messy person, so when things get really messy, I don't want people knowing about it. You know, I like to keep it as private as possible. Yeah, my little washer dryer combo. My little UGG robe. Oh, it's so comfortable. If you ever need a present and don't know what to ask for an UGG robe. You won't regret it. Like, would I get an UGG robe on my own? 100% not. Would I like ask for a Christmas? 100%. Like, it's so nice. But yeah, this is my apartment. I don't have it too crowded. I don't have a lot of stuff. Like, I've seen some college apartment tours and some just like apartment tours in general where they have like all these decked out things and like, you know, I have to move eventually. Do I want to move like $5 million worth of stuff? Like, no. Like, I wanted to move my Home Goods and my dollar store stuff with convenience. Very few stuff, you know? This will fit in like a small U-Haul, hopefully. We hope. But yeah, this apartment is a little further off campus. So it's nice because it has a lot more space than most apartments do. So I appreciate that, but I might move next year. Who knows? We'll see. But yeah, my boyfriend helped me assemble this, so that was really nice. I thought it was cute. It's from Amazon. It's the only furniture piece I really have. But I guess that's it. Thanks for watching.